Female trucker discuss why people fail CDL training school. Let's watch this video.
If you are in CDL training right now, be patient. Be patient with learning this equipment. Be patient with learning how to drive. Be patient with the instructor. If the instructor's got patience with you, you got to have patience with your doggone self.
I think that's the number one thing that people need to understand about trucking from the jump. You have to be patient. Patient, 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 patient. You can't get through this career quick. You can't get through this training quick. Everybody think that I can get through this quick and make the bag quick. That's the biggest misconception about trucking is I don't need patience. I'm going to do this quick so I can make money quick. That's not trucking.
I know you are thinking right now, I have spent $4,000 something to get this training and I'm not getting it. Everybody else around me getting it. I done quit my job, or I really need a job, or I really need this money. I really need to gain this money back. I really want to get this trucking stuff, but I don't understand. Be patient. Take your time and don't be watching them stupid videos.
TikTok, social media can really put a false identity of trucking in somebody's mind because they think I'm watching the video. I seen them do it, got it in 2-3 weeks. I'm going to do the same thing. But everybody learns different. Everybody can't do the things quick. I got my CDL in 4 weeks. Not everybody can do that. I got partners that got their CDLs. It took them 5 months. It doesn't matter how long it takes you to get it, just as long as you get it. But patience. Stop comparing yourself to everybody else. If you are comparing yourself to somebody else, you will never make it. You're not worried about yourself. You're worried about what they doing. But the number one thing I feel like truckers need to understand, or people that's trying to get into trucking, is patience. Nothing happens good quick in trucking. Everything that you want to happen, making money, getting your CDL, it takes time. But it's how you get to it. There's no only one way to get to it. There's many ways to get to it. If your way is slower than others, that's okay, as long as you get to it. If your bag takes a little longer to get to, it's okay, as long as you get to it. But we have to have patience. That's the reason why I feel like there needs to be more education involvement. There needs to be more courses. There needs to be more things so when they look at this, they know this is going to take time. But people think I'm going to get through CDL school real quick and get my CDL and make the bag. That's what messes up trucking, is people need to have the patience and not rush. My path and your path are two different paths, but as long as we get there is what counts.